Hello duckies, Andy here, back with some more streaming tips, again for console streamers. This is using Overlay Expert, so if you've not set up Overlay Expert, pause this video, go and check out this one up here. That's going to show you how to get this set up, and now we're going to look at making Be Right Back screens or different scene transitions, okay? But before we get into it, like the video, also subscribe, put your rug with a stone, let's go. So hopefully you have checked out that video on how to set Overlay Expert up. What we're going to do is get straight into the website, hit View Overlays. I'm going to use an overlay that I already used. Look, I'm going to call it Orange Carbon Be Right Back Test. So I'm going to check that out. It's the one that I used in my previous video, just to keep everything similar. I'm going to press Edit. No, I don't want to use the beginner's walkthrough. It seems to ask me this every single time, even though I've done the beginner's walkthrough. What we're going to do is we need to create a Be Right Back screen. So I'm going to add a layer. We're going to call the description Be Right Back. Can't talk today. And we're going to press background. We want to create a picture. So I'm not going to go into how to make an overlay, so I'm going to use one that I've just found on the internet. You can get them from different places like Stream Elements, or even Google them, or if you want one custom made, maybe go to Fiverr or even make one yourself. So hit select. I've already uploaded this one here, but to upload you just press the little arrow in the bottom right and then go to your image. So I've gone to the Be Right Back image and it adds it straight into here. Press the little tick and that's it, it's added it in. So it looks a little bit weird because the sizing's all wrong. We need to go to size and position, and we want it to be full screen, so top and left 0 pixels, and usually there'll be size of 1920 by 1080 because that's your normal HD screen resolution. And there we go, it kind of covers it up. But as you can see, we had our previous overlay behind that. So what we want to do is have a command that shows this screen and then makes this screen disappear whenever we use these two commands. So to do that, we go further down to Chat Quick toggle on the right here. So you choose the chat API, connect it to your Twitch, and you can choose who you want it to work for. So whether it's just yourself, the broadcaster, your moderators, your subscribers, anyone, or anything like that. So I'm going to use broadcaster only. The toggle message is what makes this come online. So I'm going to type in exclamation mark, Be Right Back. Always use kind of exclamation marks so you don't accidentally type in commands. I always find that's the best way, and it helps you remember what command you're using. Toggle off message. So this is the message that we're going to type to make it disappear. I'm going to type in exclamation mark back. Easy as that. Hit the little tick in the top right hand corner. You'll notice that the Be Right Back overlay is still over the top at the moment, but you'll work that out later on. Just hit the tick, press file, press save. There we go. Once we got the tick up there, we know it's all saved. So now we need to go back into your Twitch extensions, which a nice quick way to get there is if you press the little hamburger, go to Twitch extension and press install extension. It'll take you directly to your Twitch page and it'll make sure you've got it installed, which we went through in the other video. Hit configure. It's going to ask you to choose your overlay. We called ours the Orange Carbon Be Right Back Test. I know it's not looking like the Be Right Back screen is on there at the moment, but don't worry about it. Hit select on that, close that down. Make sure that you've activated the scene like we spoke in the previous video, so I'm going to set it as overlay 1. Done. Easy as that, we're all set up. Just a little disclaimer on these overlays only work on PC, they don't work for people watching on mobile at the moment. They have started a petition to see if Twitch will get them working for mobile users as well. So please sign that petition. You can find that all out in their Discord. I'll put the link in below. Also, if you need any streaming tips, come and join my Discord as well, alright? Right, let's get on with the demonstration, alright? Let's go. So here we are watching my stream live. I'm going straight from my Xbox right now and viewing it live on twitch.tv on my computer. So we're playing Overwatch, as you can see here. All the chat's blowing up a little bit. I know that it says I've been live for 6 minutes because I just had to test that this was going to work. And then chat just started blowing up for no reason. So if I type in exclamation mark BRB now, boom, we'd be right back. And it happens instantly like that. So if I type in, say, exclamation mark back, then I come back into the stream again. And like I say, it happens instantly. If I don't put the exclamation mark and I just do BRB, it doesn't work. So that's why I always like to put an exclamation mark on any command that I use, because you don't accidentally put an exclamation mark. So one more test, exclamation mark BRB. And you'll see other people in chat have been trying to type this in as well, and it doesn't work for them because we've set it to broadcaster only. So you'll be able to set it to moderator and different things like that, so you can have your own custom commands for everybody. If you want to get some ideas, come and stop by my stream on twitch.tv/AndyLippy. Here we go, once more back, just there. If you want to get any ideas at all for your stream, then definitely come to that. Hopefully this has taught you guys something. There are different ways to animate it. If there's anything else that you do want me to cover, please let me know in the comments section below. Come and stop by my stream, like I say. Also, like the video, subscribe. There's plenty of other tips that I can help you out with. Alright guys, put your rock with a stone. See you soon.